Hello guys, it's me again. Take that screw out. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, please consider subscribing and click the thumbs up icon and notification bell. So if there's a new video coming out, you'll be the first one to be notified. Check the description down below for the equipment and tools I use in this video, which is available to purchase in Amazon.com United States and Amazon.co.uk in United Kingdom. In this video, it shows step by step on how to repaste, how to change the thermal pads and thickness, how to replace and clean the cooling fans. Let's begin the tutorial. The screwdriver that I'm going to use is the wow stick, the electric screwdriver, and the screwdriver bits is the Phillips screw, which is VH1. The big one is a VH1 and the smaller one is a VH00 or VH00. Okay, there's two options. The first option is if you want to clean or replace a broken fan, all you need to unscrew is six screw on the back plate, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 2 small screw on this side, 1 and 2. Remove these 2 screws and lift up the backplate. This backplate is just a plastic, not a metal. And lift out the PCB attached to the heatsink. So now you can access the fan. So this is the part number of the fan. And the other one. So from here, if you need to change the thermal pads or repaste, all you're going to do is remove just a full screw that's attached to the heatsink. One, two, three, 4. So you carefully separate the PCB from the heatsink. So for the thermal pads thickness, so all the thermal pads on this side, this one, they are 2mm thickness, and this one is different. This is a bit thinner. This one is 1mm. So this part here, they are 2mm, and only this long thermal pads is 1mm. And to remove the 2 cooling fan, you have to unscrew 3 screws in each fan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This two connector is for the cooling fan, this two, and this one is for the LED light that connects to this graphics here, and all the way to the graphics, the light for the backlight. This one here, it will light up. So I don't need to detach this connector here because this card is pretty much brand new. It's very new and it's still clean. What I'm using to clean and blow up all the dust from the heatsink and the fan and PCB is this one. This is the X-Power 500 watt PC air blower. Okay, it's time to put it back together. With the thermal paste, I use a RTX MX4, but I have recommendation to use a Noctua into H2 or the SYY thermal paste. It's really good. Putting back the heatsink, make sure the holes at the back is aligned properly. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button and consider subscribing, and also share this video. Thanks for watching.